Have you ever wondered why iPhones have this awesome lock screen depth effect where the clock appears behind the subject of wallpaper? Well, here's the good news. You can now get very similar effect on many Samsung Galaxy phones, and even though Samsung doesn't officially include this feature, today I'll show you a simple method using Samsung's own customization tool, plus one extra font to create an amazing 3D style lock screen. So let's get started. So step one is installing the required font. So first you need to install a custom font that works best with this effect. So here, this font is a font from Oppo, and I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description down below. You can go ahead and download this. So now once you've downloaded this, go and extract the file using My Files. Go ahead and tap on this, and then scroll down and find the Oppo Big Clock San. Tap on this, and then go ahead and update it. Now if it doesn't let you do it, go ahead and press OK. Go ahead and press Settings, go into Security and Privacy. Here, go ahead and turn off Auto Blocker. Now go ahead and install the font. Now once the font is installed, you're going to go ahead and open up your lock screen customization, tap on Wallpaper and Style, tap on your lock screen, and here go ahead and tap on your clock. Now here in Font and Color, go ahead and swipe all the way to the left until you see the three dots. Now here you'll find your clock which you just installed. The lock screen Oppo Big Clock, select it. Go back. And now your clock will change into a big clock like this. Go ahead and adjust the size. And now let's just go ahead and leave it to one side now here. Now after selecting that clock, go ahead and tap on this and then go ahead and choose your color for that font. Once complete, press done. And now press home. Now here we need to go ahead and choose the right wallpaper. So this trick works best with wallpaper where the subject stands out clearly from the background. So for example, maybe a portrait, animal, flowers, superheroes, cars, anime characters. So the cleaner the background, the easier it is to create a realistic depth effect. However, you do need to do some work on it. So go ahead and open up your gallery. And in gallery, you want to go ahead and find a picture. So for example, let's say this image here. So here you need to go ahead and isolate the background from the foreground. So here the foreground is your car. So go ahead and select it. Now you want to go ahead and save as an image. So now you have isolated the foreground with the background. So now that's done, press home. Now here you need to go ahead and open up your Good Lock app. Now in Good Lock, scroll down and find Lock Star. And then this will take you to your lock screen customization. Go ahead and change your wallpaper. We'll choose that wallpaper, tap done. Now here we'll go ahead, just make this clock small for now. Put it one side. Now next we'll go ahead and tap on Lock Star and then tap on App Widgets. And here we'll go ahead and find the gallery widget. Go ahead and select that and add it. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on Settings. Go ahead and select that image. Press done. Change the display method to stretch to fill widget. And now we want to go ahead and enlarge this so that it basically matches the wallpaper. Now once that's done, now go ahead and edit your wallpaper. So here you can go ahead and make it a large clock like this, or you can go ahead and make it a small clock like this. So it's completely up to you. So I press done. And now if you look at our lock screen, this is how it is. Let me just show you another one. So let's say, for example, this wallpaper. So I'll go ahead and choose the car. I'll go ahead and isolate it. So clip it. Save it as an image. Now I'll go ahead and set this as our background for our lock screen. I'll go ahead and delete the old one. Now we'll go ahead and add an app widget. Go ahead and add the gallery widget. Tap on it, tap on settings, choose your image, and then display method, change it stretch to fill widget. Save. Now we'll go ahead and move this so that it fits right here. Now we'll go ahead and set this time. We'll make it slightly larger. We'll go ahead and change this time around. And then we'll press done. Now when we go ahead and lock our screen, this is how our lock screen looks like. So your clock is behind that car there. Now maybe you want to create your own transparent image. You want to use your own photo. So that's easy. Go ahead and open up gallery, go to your album, open up any image. So for example, this dog picture here. So first we need to go ahead and work on this image. We'll go ahead and select it. We'll clip that dog, save it as an image. Now we'll go ahead and set this as our background for our lock screen. We'll go ahead and remove the old picture, and now we'll add a app widget for our gallery. Now tap on settings, go ahead and image to show, select image. We'll find the clipped one, tap done, change the display method to stretch to fill widget, and then go ahead and fill this in. Now we'll go ahead and move the time around and change the time color. And then we'll press done and press home. Now we look at our lock screen, and here you have an impressive depth effect that looks almost like a native feature. And that's it, a simple customization, but it completely transforms your Samsung lock screen. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Samsung tips, hidden features, and Android customization tricks every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.